Demystifying ISF 10+2, Industrial Machinery. Importing industrial machinery and manufacturing equipment is a complex process that requires careful consideration and compliance with Importer Security Filing (ISF) 102 guidelines. In this video, we will explore the guidelines for importing industrial machinery and manufacturing equipment, the importance of ISF compliance in this context, and the key considerations for a smooth importation process. Understanding ISF 10+2 guidelines for industrial machinery imports. ISF 10+2 guidelines specifically address the importation of industrial machinery and manufacturing equipment. These guidelines require importers to provide detailed information about the machinery, including its intended use, brand names, and serial numbers. This information helps customs authorities assess potential security risks associated with the imports. Preparing accurate and complete ISF documentation. It is critical to prepare accurate and complete ISF documentation while importing industrial machinery. Importers should ensure that all required information, such as the machinery's make and model, harmonized system, HS, code, and country of origin, is provided accurately. This information facilitates efficient customs clearance and compliance with ISF requirements. Classifying industrial machinery correctly. Classifying industrial machinery correctly is essential for compliance with ISF requirements. Importers must assign the appropriate harmonized system, HS, code to each piece of machinery to determine the applicable duties, taxes, and government regulations associated with the importation. Accurate classification ensures adherence to customs regulations and avoids potential penalties. Verifying compliance with safety and environmental regulations. Importers should verify that the imported industrial machinery complies with safety and environmental regulations. This includes ensuring that the machinery meets the necessary safety standards and has the required compliance certificates. Compliance with these regulations is vital to protect workers' safety, maintain environmental standards, and meet importation requirements. Coordinating with customs brokers and freight forwarders. Collaboration with customs brokers and freight forwarders is crucial when importing industrial machinery. These professionals have expertise in customs regulations, documentation requirements, and logistics. Importers should work closely with them to gather the necessary information, complete ISF paperwork accurately, and ensure a smooth importation process. Obtaining import licenses, permits, and certifications. Importers should determine whether their industrial machinery imports require any specific import licenses, permits, or certifications. Certain categories of machinery may have additional requirements imposed by regulatory bodies. Ensuring compliance with these requirements is essential to avoid delays and potential non-compliance penalties. Ensuring proper packaging and transport. Importers should pay attention to proper packaging and transport arrangements for industrial machinery imports. Adequate packaging and secure transport protect the machinery from damage during transit. Consulting with experts in logistics and equipment transport can help ensure the safe delivery of the machinery to its destination. Complying with import duties and taxes. Importers must comply with import duties and taxes associated with industrial machinery imports. It is essential to accurately calculate these costs and provide the required documentation for customs authorities. Compliance with import duties and taxes ensures the lawful and seamless importation of industrial machinery. Collaborating with equipment suppliers and manufacturers is beneficial when importing industrial machinery. They can provide important information, such as technical specifications, warranties, and after-sales support. Effective collaboration ensures that the imported machinery meets requirements and functions optimally in the intended application. Importing industrial machinery and manufacturing equipment requires adherence to ISF 10+2 guidelines and careful attention to compliance measures. By preparing accurate ISF documentation, classifying machinery correctly, verifying safety and environmental compliance, coordinating with customs brokers and freight forwarders, obtaining necessary licenses and certifications, ensuring proper packaging and transport, complying with import duties and taxes, and collaborating with equipment suppliers and manufacturers, importers can navigate the importation process with confidence. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade.